guys, I'm James. I'm a photographer from Sydney, Australia. This has been an epic week in Corfu sailing to the Greek islands. Check it out. Hey, I'm James. That was the corniest thing I've ever done. Take 452. Can you even say the islands of Corfu? It's one island. You probably can't even hear any of this footage. Hey guys, I'm James. I'm James. Hey, I'm James. Hey guys, I'm James. It's Ionian Islands, but no one knows them. Probably got in the water, freeze my toes off, all for nothing. I have to get back and do it in the living room like everybody else. So I just found a sunny little spot out of the wind, in case you couldn't hear me before. People definitely think I'm a weirdo. I'm just saying stuff to myself.